Hey guys, I'm Kalila Reynolds and it's time for another episode of Money Mondays JA, brought to you in partnership with Proven Wealth and filmed here at I Create Studio on Hope Road. Today I have another FAQ edition, frequently asked questions. What's the difference between the junior market and the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange? Generally speaking, the junior market is for smaller companies, while the main market is for bigger ones. And there are definitions for what is a small company versus a big company. The junior market is specifically for companies worth between 50 million and 500 million Jamaican dollars. In US dollars, that's anywhere from 355,000 to about 3.5 million US dollars. So it's really to encourage SMEs, that small and medium enterprises, to grow. Now they get the benefit of being able to raise money on the stock market, and they also get special tax incentives, which makes it really attractive. And it's why so many SMEs aspire to list. Corporate income tax in Jamaica is 33.33%. Eek. But when you list on the junior market for the first 5 years, you don't have to pay that. And then years 6 to 10, you pay only half. After year 10, it's expected that with these incentives, plus the investment the company would have been able to raise, the business would have grown sufficiently to allow the company to manage its full tax obligations. So at that point, the company becomes liable for full taxes. Now, a company can graduate to the main market if it grows to the point where it's worth more than $500 million. It would lose the tax incentive at that point. But if your company is growing rapidly, do you really want it to stay small just to keep that benefit? You'd really have to do a cost-benefit analysis. But either way, after 10 years, you lose the tax break anyway. A couple other things about junior market companies: they have to be appointed a mentor. And the JSC actually has a list of approved mentors with strong backgrounds in business, finance, and law, for example, who can help guide and advise the board. Also, the company must never have listed on the main market before or any other stock exchange, obviously. And they can't be an associate of another company on the main market either. That's why Lumber Depot had to break away from Blue Power Group, for example, in order to list separately and receive an additional tax benefit. Oh, and here's something that you may not have known. You don't have to be a Jamaican company to list on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Any company which is incorporated or registered and operating an LLC, that's a limited liability company in a CARICOM country, may apply to be listed on the junior market. Now there's some other regulations too, but these are the major ones. You can visit the Jamaica Stock Exchange's website for further information. That's it for this episode of Money Mondays JA, brought to you by Proven Wealth and filmed here at I Create Studio on Hope Road. Follow me on Instagram at Kalila Ray and subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Kalila Ray. Coming up this evening on Taking Stock on YouTube, Mailpack's Executive Chairman Carrie Robinson joins me after the company's successful listing. And heads up, he may be looking to bring another company to market soon. Tune in to find out more. And later in the program, The Analysts. That episode premieres at 7 this evening, Monday, so make sure you set your reminders by clicking the bell on YouTube. Until then, I'm Kalila Reynolds. See you later.